So this boat came in and the drive oil monitor bottle was empty, and they said it was running inside the boat. So the normal event would have been that the line from the drive oil bottle to the back of the transom assembly right there would be leaking. Well, not in this case. And while I'm sitting here looking at it, look at the alignment of his belt. He's about ready to have a power steering issue, and that's why we're putting a new motor in a belt, because the power steering pump went out and the belt came off and they kept on running it. But if you look at that pulley, it's out of line from the rest of the motor. But anyway, that's not what this video is about. That is completely full. So his bellows was completely full of drive oil, and it was getting underneath his motor because it was full and running into the boat through the gimbal assembly. So he's got a leak on his U-joint assembly.